This video has pointers for how to get the most out of your planks at whichever level is right for you. Start low with your elbows directly under your shoulders, broaden your upper back and chest, and roll your armpits north.
Inhale, lengthening your spine, opening your ribs, and then exhale, engaging.
You really can train your spine to lengthen on the inhale, and the exhale is a loving hug from your transverse abdominis to your organs. Your TA should hug your organs towards your spine.
Lifted, and the back of your head lifted, and the crown of your head going that way. Good, and of course, abs lifted. And breathe. So think of inhale, lengthening your spine, opening your ribs, and then exhale, engaging.
Think about sculpting and strengthening. It's not about how many seconds you do, it's how well you do them. To increase the difficulty of the plank, we could lift the knees and lengthen the legs, but we're going for the more problematic version.
Position. Oh, whoa. Fill this out, Bring this up, bring this up, and bring, yes. Beautiful, thank you.
Always make your mistakes where I can see and correct them or benefit from my models.
And we're going for a straight line from your knees to the crown of your head. So you're going to bring your hips a little more forward without losing anything in here. Keeping all of this lifted. How's that feel?
Good.
And so again, inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale. And again, inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, and now draw your navel up towards your spine consciously.
My model is strong, so we'll end with a demo of the classic plank. But don't be in a hurry to get there. Start where you are, stay inside the bubble of goodness, and get stronger.